Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove yourself as admin from a Facebook page. Okay, so first thing first, log into your Facebook. Once you log into our Facebook, right here in the right corner, we're going to change our account. We're going to switch to our Facebook page account. So switch to Cat with K. Alright, so now we've switched our Facebook page account. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to professional dashboard right here. Okay, so once you're on professional dashboard, the next thing you want to do is scroll down right here, scroll down, and on page access, click on page access. Alright, so manage and view access, people with Facebook access. So this is where you can add new people to have access to your Facebook page. All right, and this is where you can manage, can remove anybody from your Facebook page. All right, so since I'm the only one managing this Facebook, I can't remove myself from this Facebook page. All right, so we're gonna add a new person to this Facebook page, and then we're gonna remove this person's Facebook access just to show you guys how it works. So click on add new, next, and then you can search their name. Let's just click on some. All right, so you can allow this person to have full control access of your Facebook account. All right, so we're just gonna give them partial access and then put your password and then confirm. All right, so we've sent an invitation to this person, and invitation expires in 31 days. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to remove the access of this person. So this is how you do it. Click on these three dots right here and then cancel invitation. So if it is to remove, what you're gonna see when you click on these three dots is remove access. So you're just gonna follow the instructions and remove access. So I'm gonna cancel the invitation. This is the easiest way to remove people's access from your Facebook page. Best way to remove yourself from your Facebook page as admin. All right, so if you gain something from this tutorial, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section, leave a like and subscribe to help the algorithm. And if there's anything you don't understand, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Just leave a comment down in the comment section.